we're gonna take 2 screwdrivers, flathead, and we're gonna go to the passenger door lock. I'm gonna open it, and we're gonna look at this lock cylinder at the passenger door side at the glove compartment. So what we need to do, we're gonna take a flathead screwdriver and we're gonna create a separation between this plastic and the entire glove compartment. So I'm just gonna put it here, and I'm gonna create a small separation, and as you can see, it starts to come outside, and it come outside pretty easy. There are 4 places that is connected and it clip is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sometimes you will need to use more a little bit more force from here. Just lift this part and lift this part, and on the bottom just gonna you're gonna push down this and push down that, and it will come out just the way that it came out right now. So right now, if you're gonna look, there is a black clip right here. It's like a C-clip from here until here. It's like a C-clip. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna secure it with my finger, and I will push it out slowly and securely until it will be in my hand. And this is the C-clip, okay? Important to secure it so it's not gonna fall inside. And you can put it on the side, and now you have the cylinder in hand, and you can actually take it out, and you can look for the code on the cylinder. Where is the code located? You just need to look, and there you have it. Here is the code. In this car, the code is 6096. There is another code right here at the bottom, but if you're gonna see, this code contain letters, and in Honda and Acura, the code when it comes to HD 106, which is the key that we are using right now, cannot have letters. So the code is 6096, and I'm gonna show you how to put it back. It's very simple. It's exactly the same way, just the opposite.
Hi, I'm Moshe. I'm sorry to interrupt your video. I know it's a pain in the ass, but look, I want to tell you something important. I can tell that you're really interested in learning about how to program car keys and remotes. Well, that's what we do in Locksmith Videos Online. So this YouTube channel is just a small fraction of what we actually do. You should really visit our website at locksmithvideosonline.com. There, you could find hundreds of videos and tutorials that will show you step by step how to program all kinds of car keys and remotes. From transponder keys to remote head keys to smart keys for vehicles that have a push to start system, and much more when it comes to the locksmith field in general and the automotive field. So if you click on the link below this video or go to locksmithvideosonline.com, you can have access to all of the knowledge that I acquired throughout my 15 years locksmith career, and you can become as professional as I am on your first day and on your first try. Yes, I just said it. You can become as professional as I am on your first day and on your first try. I don't think you can afford to be without it.
Direction, this piece goes right here. And now I'm gonna take the C-clip. Okay, I'm gonna use this side first, or the other one, depending your comfort, and just gonna slowly slide it in. Okay, one side is in. I'm gonna secure it, and I will clip the other side in. Make sure it doesn't, the cylinder cannot come outside, and then I will put the plastic cap on and clip it. I'm just gonna clip it just like that, and that's it. That's how you find the code when you have in this particular situation is Acura MDX 2006, but anytime that you have Honda or Acura that you have that kind of glove compartment.
You want to know how to program car keys and remotes for all type of vehicles and easily? Well, if you do, then I have the perfect solution for you. Hi, my name is Moshe and I'm the owner of a locksmith company for over 10 years. I'm an expert when it comes to program car keys and remotes. I created a website full of videos and tutorials that will guide you step by step how to program all kind of car keys and remotes. By using this website, you will be able to program all kind of car keys from your first day and from your first try. From transponder keys to remote head keys to smart keys for vehicles that have a push to start system. All you will have to do is just go to the search bar and type the make, year and model of the car that you would like to program the key for. Then choose the correct video from the suggested videos and follow the video step by step. It's that easy. And if you would like to order the exact same key that is being explained in the video, no problem. Just press on the link at the bottom of the description and you can order the exact same key that is being explained in the video. It's that easy. Go to www.locksmithvideosonline.com and see it for yourself.